Hi, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, also known as the Chatty Pen Pal channel. Today I'm actually going to flip you through my new happy planner. Now, I just said that I'm a chatty pen pal channel, which means that A, I'll probably talk too much, and B, I normally make pen pal videos, but because I got a new planner and because I actually was hoping to find a flip through online but couldn't find it, decided to do a little flip through for those of you who might be interested in getting this planner and who want to see kind of what it looks like, because all I had were 3 pictures on the website and I think I might not be the only one. Okay, by the way, I have a clear piece of paper underneath so that the light doesn't reflect on the table too much, but because this is a laminated page, the light may still reflect on the planner a little bit because I'm using a daylight lamp. I hope it's not too bad, but the pages are obviously paper, so it shouldn't be that annoying then anymore. What I'm going to do for this video is I'm first going to take a first look, show you what was included in the package and tell you my first impressions, and then I'm just going to silently flip you through each of the pages because there's also a couple really pretty ones. So when I received the package, I already opened it because I did a Craftelier unboxing video. If you want to see it, I will link it down below, but this package came wrapped in this simple clear acetate wrapper, so it wasn't actually packaged, it was just like that, which I actually quite like. I mean, packaging can be super wasteful. And then it had these 2 banners on the front and on the back. Sadly, the glue left a residue on the front of my planner, but I'm hoping to get rid of that by using some sticker dissolvent or something, because that's not how you want to start a new planner. So what we know, a first look at this little banner is it's a 12-month planner. It goes from July 2020 to June 2021. So it's almost starting already. It's a vertical layout, which is new to me, but we will see how that goes. And it is 4.625 inches by 7 inches or 11.75 centimeters by 17.8 centimeters. So it's slightly smaller than A5 size. And I actually think it's perfect size for me. On the back, it shows you the vertical layout. Not a lot of new information, intended for adult use. Okay, the planner itself has a laminated front and a laminated back. I couldn't find that online. I actually thought that this would be a cardstock or cardboard or a chipboard cover, but it does feel kind of sturdy, so I'm hoping that this will stay pretty all year. It has a beautiful botanical front with these copper gold, rose gold letters saying do what they think you can't do, and the rings are also kind of a rose gold. The rings are very plasticky. I'm literally telling you my first impressions because I've never owned a happy planner before, but the rings are very plasticky, and for some reason I thought they would be like metal or something more high quality, but they do have a really cute little heart on them, and I'm assuming that they are still high quality. They're just really light. The cover and the rings are probably made this way so that it's more easily to take with you instead of being super heavy. I'm guessing, I'm just guessing. And I also know that if I wanted to, I could replace these rings with other rings, but I'm very new to the happy planner system, so I have to figure all of that out. Okay, so this is the front and this is the back. The future begins now. I absolutely love the illustrations so far. And when we open it, first thing obviously with the rings is it opens very smoothly and it lays down nice and flat. There's a little note in here, which obviously I can easily take out. Welcome to your new happy planner, blah blah blah. And then the first page. Hello, this mini planner. Oh yeah, the size is called mini happy planner. Belongs to. I'm gonna have to use my best handwriting on that. And then it starts. So first impression, I also said this in my Craftelier haul. The first thing that really annoyed me, I'm just gonna skip forward a little bit, is this. the monthly overview starts on a Sunday. The weeks start on a Sunday, so it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday instead of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and that annoys me because the week starts on a Monday, not a Sunday, and it's the same for every month. It always starts on a Sunday. That would make sense if the weekly overview also started on a Monday or on a Sunday, but it doesn't. The weekly overview starts on a Monday. So if I always look at my monthly overview and I see my week from left to right and I know, okay, this is what my week looks like, but it's not the same, and that annoys me. So I already knew this from the pictures that I saw, the 3 pictures that I could see. So what I'm going to do, it's going to be a lot of work, but I also did that in my previous planner because this is not the only planner that has that problem or that specific layout. I'm actually going to cover up all of the days and all of the week numbers, the day numbers, the days of the month. I'm going to cover it all up and move it because I need my week to start on a Monday. I am a little bit difficult that way, but that is just how it's supposed to be in my opinion. So that is going to be a little bit of work, but for me it's super annoying and kind of weird, but it wasn't big enough to actually choose not to buy a happy planner. So let's get back. I am going to the quiet flip through in a second. I just want to do this properly. You start with the 2-year overview, which is always nice. The only question I immediately have is the yearly overview, does this week start with a Monday or does it start with a Sunday? Let me check. July starts on a Wednesday. Let's grab July. Nope. These weeks also start on a Sunday. So this is the same as the monthly overview. So I'm actually pretty sure I won't be getting a lot of use out of this because it's just gonna confuse me. And then you have a little year overview, which I quite like for birthdays and stuff like that. You have a yearly overview and then your month starts. I already saw a review of an older happy planner. An old happy planner. I couldn't find any for this one because it's new, like it's very, very recent. But the thing that annoyed a lot of people was that the July overview page was before the July tab. So you have July and then July starts. So some people would have liked it more if the July tab, the July page was behind the July tab. I understand that, but it's not that big a deal for me. So you have, for every month, I'm assuming it's the same. Every month, let me see. Yep, it's the same every month, I'm just assuming. You have this month's notes, you have important dates, and then you have a, can I say, beautiful cover page. Absolutely beautiful. And then you have like a little laminated tab, and you have your monthly overview. I love the block layout. That was one thing I had to have in my calendar because I can just immediately see how busy or how many days of work I'm going to have the upcoming month. And then you have a small slot here for notes. And I know that if you have a bigger happy planner you have a lot more lists, but this is actually enough for me. Then we have the weekly overview, which starts on a Monday. You have a small slot for notes here, which I really, really like. I don't think I need more than that. My current planner has more. My current planner has to do, important to do, goal of the week, what is it called, habit tracker, and notes. But I think that I'm perfectly fine having just this note space. So all of the days are divided into 3 blocks, so obviously that would be morning, afternoon and evening. I don't know yet how I'm going to use this. It could also be that I'm going to use the first 2 blocks for appointments and the 3rd block for to-dos, or the first block for appointments, the 2nd for to-dos and the 3rd for YouTube. I'm going to take my time figuring all of that out, but it definitely gives you a lot of possibilities. Oh yeah, and what I also like about the Happy Planner is that you could, if you wanted, take out pages and easily place them back. So let's say you have a lot to write and you don't want to have your hand on the ring the whole time. Like I don't know if that's a problem, but it could definitely be a problem. then you could just carefully take it out and carefully place it back. Next page, pretty much the same, but it has a little quote at the bottom. It says, "You were made for this." Third page, fourth page, another quote. "Exciting things happen when you least expect it." And then bam. And then this week, I obviously I wouldn't know what I would prefer, but this July also has the first days of August. Also has the first days of August. And then you have again notes, important dates. Oh, I absolutely love this cover page. It doesn't have a quote on it, but you could easily stick something down if you wanted. I could even turn that into a pocket. And then monthly overview, and then it starts on the 3rd because we already had the first days of August in July's tab. As you can see, every month seems to have a different color combo. All of these pages kind of match but are slightly different, which I quite like. They have little quotes. It's already decorated enough so that even if you do not do any decorating, it's still pretty, but it does allow you, it does give you space to do some extra decorating, so I really, really like that. Okay, I just realized I wanted to do that flip through. I just realized I forgot to do one thing, and that is do a little pen test, because I'm not the type of person to do like watercoloring in a journal or do like drawings or big things, but it is important for me that fine liners or markers do not bleed, because that's like, ghosting is okay. When you write on this page and you see a little bit of it on the back page, like, I'm okay with that, but I do not want it to be completely visible on the other side. So that is the last thing I'm going to test. I'm going to test my new uni pen, which is a little bit wet, but let's just, for example, write my birthday. No, I don't know, let's write my brother's birthday then. With a little balloon. I mean, obviously I know when my brother's birthday is, but I'm gonna have to, I need something to test it out. And when we flip to the other side, if I hold it up in the light, I can see it, but it seems very, very invisible. Pretty much invisible. Quite like that. So, fine liner is approved. I'm not going to test all of my pens because that is going to be way too much work, but I am also going to test a marker. It's also a little bit on the Stabilos. Yeah, you can definitely see this on the back. So maybe I shouldn't use my Stabilos. Or maybe I should. I don't normally care that much. But the pages are definitely a little bit thin for using with markers. Maybe if I try another marker. AHA is definitely better. So the Tombos are not ghosting or bleeding. The Stabilos a little bit. So do keep that in mind. Oh, I'm sorry, by the way, if you can hear it. My fan. Do keep that in mind if you want to use markers in your journal, that some that are very wet, such as Stabilos, are going to ghost a little bit. So I'm going to have to figure out what I want to do with that. Maybe just use the Tombos. And then another thing that I also want to say about this is it doesn't have any pockets, and for some people that may not be a problem. I also know that, or I'm pretty sure that Happy Planner has pockets that you can buy. Like, these are very, very easily adjustable to what you need. So I think I could add a pocket here, but I actually might want to do it myself, like just stick an envelope in here so that I could take some stickers or some washi samples with me if I wanted. That's another thing I noticed. That's another thing I'm going to miss that my current planner does have. And a pen loop, but again, that's probably something I could make myself. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna put some music on and let you watch this. If it goes too slowly for you, you can speed it up. You can click the little gear to speed it up, or you can even slow it down. Click the little gear to slow it down. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, don't worry, I'm not going to turn into a Happy Planner channel because I am still a pen pal channel, and that is my main goal. I just wanted to show this because I wanted to look inside this journal and I couldn't find any videos. So I hope this helps.